Choose the correct pan, of course. That one, not the thin, long one.
Okay.
Okay?
3 tablespoons of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Technically, this isn't baking because I'm using milk involved.
Here we go. Yeah, you always need milk. Here we go.
Say milk.
I got a plan to butter the pan, butter the pan, butter the pan.
Dad,
Butter, 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 butter with butter. Preheat to 350, 350. Standby wool. Standby wool. What do you say, Sonny?
What?
Standby wool. Preheat, yay. Snip, 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 snip. La 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 la. Woohoo! Crack an egg on it. Caw-caw! Shout out to Robin. Crack, 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 crack an egg on it. Caw-caw! Teen Titans go, Teen Titans go. This is how you stir, stir, stir so early in the morning. Stir it up.
It's afternoon.
So early in the afternoon.
Not early afternoon, it's mid.
Middle in the afternoon. Later in the middle afternoon. Still later in the afternoon. This is how you stir, stir, stir. Still later in the afternoon. Super Daddy stir. Anti-clockwise. Dran, dran, dran. Dran, dran, dran. That's in Chinese. Dran, turn. Add a little milk. See what happens.
Then it's not gonna be fudgy.
Oh no.
It's gonna be soggy.
Soggy brownies. Nice.
See, you already ruined the batter. The milk isn't mixing in.
The big pour. Avalanche. Oh, we should make a little. It's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I'm the German Hans. I will jump in and swim.
Dad, I think this is too thick.
No, it's perfect.
Dad, hold the bowl.
Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Get every last drop of goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do it again. Get rid of the air bubbles. How do you do that?
This is chocolate, not brownies.
Oh. Here we go into the oven. How long? Top. Okay. Whoop whoopty woo. Whoopity woo.
22 to 25 minutes.
22, 25. Gobble. Yummy! Brownies with Chef Sunny. What do you say about your brownies? How many thumbs up do you give them?
I didn't even taste it. All I tasted was the batter, and that was from a little spoon.
How's the batter?
It tastes like regular brownie batter. Oh no, we got this on the table.
Oh no, we got a mess. Yes, the messier the bettier. Yay, the bettier. Not the better, the bettier.
No,
Yay. Messy is the Bessie. See you next time.